Hello, today we're gonna learn how to crossfade in between two textures. Here is an example. You can crossfade from autumn picture to winter picture, and it's a smooth transition. So to do that, you would need to create a shader graph, ERP, lead shader. Here is mine. I called it crossfade. Let's open it and see. We have three variables: first texture, second texture, and fade. First two are texture 2Ds, where we assign our textures that we crossfade in between. And fade is a float, which is a value at which stage of the crossfade we are. You can create them here. First texture and second texture are connected to their own sample texture 2D nodes. You can create node sample texture 2D here, and it will create one for you. But I already have them, so I don't need it. You connect them, and then you connect them to Lerp node. Lerp will basically transition pixels of first texture into the second and back based on the fade value. Fade we connect to last point, and first and second texture to first and second point. Output will go to base color. One important thing, this float, you want to set it up to slider type, to mode slider from default, because it default by default. You go slider and the values from 0 to 1, because the value that Lerp accepts is from 0 to 1. Once we have it, we go back. What we need to do, we need to create a material. I have created two, one for season, one for armor, and the shader must be set to crossfade. Crossfade is the name of the shader that I created. So here is the crossfade shader, and we switch between two textures. And I can grab crossfade armor onto the same object, and we can switch from normal armor to gold armor. Thank you.